These right here are the only nipples that I use for my baby. We've been using the Comotomo bottles for such a long time now. My baby's, it's close to being turning 2 years old. She still uses the bottle and she loves it. She won't take any other bottle if it's not Comotomo. Love it. It's very, I don't know, it's weird. It feels very soft. It's made of silicone and it's not super hard, but also not super soft. I think it's perfect for babies. The round nipple also really helps with babies breastfeed. My baby was very used to breastfeeding and I thought that she wasn't going to take any bottles. I tried a few before Comotomo, but Comotomo was the only one that she actually accepted. It took about, I would say, 2-3 days for her to get used to it. But yeah, once she was used to drinking from the bottle, she now almost 2 years old, that's the only one that she would take. Amazing product, quality is unbelievable. I have a lot of extra nipples here, but usually we don't change them very often. They last for a while. You will see they will last for a good while. It's been, I don't even know how long I had these nipples here, just in case I need it. But yeah, I've been using these right here for a while now. So yeah, we love it. My baby loves it. And yeah, very good. The quality is amazing.